Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Lose up to 24 pounds in 2 weeks with this amazing egg diet. It is claimed that boiled egg diet will help you to lose 24 pounds in only 2 weeks. You will be surprised by the results. Although there isn't a magic recipe for losing weight, this diet is a great method for boosting this process. Moreover, a healthy and proper diet is essential when it comes to shedding the extra pounds. Your diet should be based on fresh fruit and vegetables, beans and grains. You should also avoid sweets, fizzy drinks, fast food, and high-calorie desserts. The main ingredient of the boiled egg diet is obviously egg. Eggs are a healthy food and are packed with nutrients. Eggs are rich in vitamin B12, vitamin B2, vitamin A, vitamin B5, selenium, iron, zinc, calcium, manganese, potassium, vitamin E, and folate. Note: this diet is rich in protein, so you should first consult your doctor and then perform this diet. Moreover, if you combine it with regular and proper exercise, you will be amazed by the results. First week: Monday, breakfast, 2 boiled eggs and a citric fruit. Lunch: 2 slices of whole wheat bread and some fruit. Dinner: a bowl of salad and steamed chicken meat. Tuesday, breakfast: 2 boiled eggs and a citric fruit. Lunch: steamed chicken meat and green veggie salad. Dinner: 2 boiled eggs, an orange, and salad. Wednesday, breakfast: 2 boiled eggs and a citric fruit. Lunch: a slice of whole wheat bread, a tomato, and low-fat cheese. Dinner: steamed chicken meat and salad. Thursday, breakfast: same as Wednesday. Lunch: some fruit. Dinner: steamed chicken and salad. Friday, breakfast: same as Thursday. Lunch: steamed veggies and 2 eggs. Dinner: fish and salad. Saturday, breakfast: same as Friday. Lunch: some fruit. Dinner: steamed chicken and veggies. Sunday, breakfast: same as Saturday. Lunch: steamed chicken and veggies and tomato salad. Dinner: steamed veggies. Second week: Monday, breakfast: same as in first week. Lunch: steamed chicken and salad. Dinner: an orange, 2 eggs, and salad. Tuesday, breakfast: same as Monday. Lunch: 2 boiled eggs and steamed veggies. Dinner: fish and salad. Wednesday, breakfast: same as Tuesday. Lunch: steamed chicken and salad. Dinner: 2 boiled eggs, an orange, and veggie salad. Thursday, breakfast: same as Wednesday. Lunch: 2 boiled eggs, steamed veggies, and low-fat cheese. Dinner: steamed chicken and salad. Friday, breakfast: same as Thursday. Lunch: tuna salad. Dinner: 2 boiled eggs and salad. Saturday, breakfast: same as Friday. Lunch: steamed chicken and salad. Dinner: a fruit. Sunday, breakfast: same as Saturday. Lunch: steamed chicken and veggies. Dinner: same as lunch.